Okay, part 2 of multi-step equations. Remember, we have 4 steps. Distributive property, like terms, get rid of the numbers, and then get rid of the number by the variable, otherwise known as the coefficient. Okay? Let's look at the first one. Do we have a distributive property? Yes. So we need to do the distributive property first. So let's distribute 3 times x. So we have 5x plus 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 4 is 12 equals 28. That was step 1. Step 2, like terms, right here. 5x plus 3x is 8x plus 12 equals 28. Okay? Now we're down to just a 2-step equation. Subtract 12. 8x equals 28 minus 12 is 16. And last step, divide by 8 if you need to. You may know that x equals 2. Single answer. Let's move on to J. Distributive property. Yes, as you notice, all of these have a distributive property, so we're kind of practicing that. Okay? Notice my distributor is really negative 3. So 4x, negative 3 times x is minus 3x, negative, negative, plus 6 equals 21. Like terms, 4x minus 3x is just 1x plus 6 equals 21. Subtract 6, x equals 15. You can always substitute back in. I'm not doing that. You should be ready to check at any time that I would ask for that. K, distribute. My distributor is negative 5. So 2x minus 5x plus 45 equals 27. 2x minus 5x, negative 3x plus 45 equals 27. Subtract or get rid of the extra number. Minus 45. You do the opposite. Minus 45. Negative 3x equals 18 negative. Okay? Divide by the number with the variable, so negative 3x, negative 3. Negative 18 divided by negative 3, x equals 6. One more. I'm going to use the clear the fractions one again with this because I think it would be just a strategy to try. In case you don't want to try that one, we have 12x, or 12 equals 3/10 x plus 6/10. Multiply through by, my denominator is the same, so I'll multiply through by 10. Okay? So then I get 120 equals 3x plus 6. Subtract 6. Subtract 6. 114 equals 3x. Divide by 3. X equals 3 times 8 times x equals 38. Last slide. Here are your 4 steps. Look for the distributive property. Add like terms. Get rid of any numbers by themselves. Get rid of the number by the variable. Once you get after this step, between step 2 and 3, it becomes a 2-step equation then. Later this week we'll be doing variables on both sides, and that is also multi-step, but a special case multi-step. That concludes multi-step part 2 for your checklist.